No. That's how we welcome you to class today. As we round up this series on short, simple sentences we can make with one single word, which we apply in different ways. So let's go to class as we conclude this series today. I am the Igbo tutor, Onye Nkuzi Igbo.
No, na class. That's welcome to class. Today, as we round up this series, we're looking at the word ụzọ. Anyị na-ele mkpụrụ okwu a bụ ụzọ anya n'ụbọchị taa. Ụzọ means way. Way, ụzọ. As usual, we will look at 7 phrases that will capture the different ways we can use this same word to make different sentences. Ka anyị bido? Let's start. Nke mbụ, number 1. Ụzọ a. Ụzọ a. Of course, you pronounce it together, but the R sound must be distinct, must be clear enough. Ụzọ a, meaning this way, ụzọ a. Ị gaa na nke abụọ. Number 2, ụzọ ahụ, ụzọ ahụ, meaning that way, Ị gaa n'ihu. Nke atọ. Number 3, ụzọ ọzọ, ụzọ ọzọ, meaning another way, ụzọ ọzọ. We go to number 4, nke anọ. Nke anọ bụ ụzọ ọbụla, ụzọ ọbụla, meaning anyway, Ị gaa na nke ise. Number 5, ụzọ ole, meaning which way, And then we go to number 6, nke isii. Nke isii bụ otu ụzọ, We don't say ụzọ otu, no. Otu ụzọ, the order is rearranged here. A way or one way. Right, I gaa na nke asaa. Number 7, onweghị ụzọ. Some will say ọ dịghị ụzọ. Okay, onweghị ụzọ or ọ dịghị ụzọ. Both are correct. No way. Let's move on as we'll try to make simple sentences with each of them. Beginning with nke mbụ, ụzọ a, this way. What sentence are we looking at? Achọghị m ya n'ụzọ a. Achọghị m ya n'ụzọ a, meaning what? I don't want it this way. I don't want it this way. Of course, if you are used to our channel, you know we make use of colors to give the word meaning in each phrase or sentence so that you can be able to match them and use each of those words to still make other sentences as you may desire. Ya bụ lee ya anya nke ọma, ị ga-ahụ ka isi were agba dị iche iche wee gosi ihe otu mkpụrụ okwu pụtara n'ime ahịrị okwu ndị a. Let's go on. Achọghị m ya n'ụzọ a. I don't want it this way. Let's go on ka ị gaa n'ihu. Nke abụọ, number 2. Ụzọ ahụ, that way. Let's have our sentence here. Emela ya n'ụzọ ahụ is an instruction. Emela ya n'ụzọ ahụ, meaning what? Let's see what it means in English. Don't do it that way. Emela ya n'ụzọ ahụ. All right, ka ị gaa na nke atọ. Number 3. Ụzọ ọzọ, another way. Sentence now. Anyị ga-achọ ụzọ ọzọ. Meaning what? We will look for another way. Anyị ga-achọ ụzọ ọzọ. Of course, there must be another way to do it. Let's look for that. Anyị ga-achọ ụzọ ọzọ. We will look for another way. Ka ị gaa na nke anọ. Number 4. Ụzọ ọbụla. Anyway. Ụzọ ọbụla. Let's have our sentence now. A little bit long. Oh, sorry. We should have the Igbo sentence first, which says, M ga-enye gị ya ụzọ ọbụla isi chọọ. M ga-enye gị ya ụzọ ọbụla isi chọọ. Meaning what? I will give it to you any way you want. Okay? We can also say, I will do it any way I want. Aga m eme ya ụzọ ọbụla m si chọọ. Okay? Anyway is okay. Ụzọ ọbụla. M ga-enye gị ya ụzọ ọbụla isi chọọ. I will give it to you any way you want. Ka ị gaa n'ihu.
Are you aware that we have reduced most of our videos to ebooks with the aim of giving you materials to fall back on and also help you to learn faster even in the absence of your teacher or even when you are offline? These books are unique in the sense that they come with text, pictures and audio which are downloadable. So with these, you have your teacher always with you. How do you get these books? Very simple. Dive into the description box of this video. You will see a link to our bookshop. You can also check our channel description. You will see a link to our bookshop. Click on the link and you will land in our bookshop where you have varieties of books that are simplified and unique, and they will surely help you to learn faster. So hit on any of them and buy today, and you'll be glad you did. Let's go on with this lesson.
Nke ise ọ bụ gịnị? Ụzọ ole, which way, let's have our sentence. Ị chọrọ ya n'ụzọ ole? Meaning what? It means, which way do you want it? How do you like it to be done? Ị chọrọ ya n'ụzọ ole? Which way do you want it? It can also be replaced with, how do you want it? Okay, the way you want it to be done or be given to you. Ị chọrọ ya n'ụzọ ole? Which way do you want it? Let's move. Ka anyị gaa na nke isii. Nke isii bụ otu ụzọ, a way or one way, as the case may be. It could be one way, it could be a way. Otu ụzọ, not ụzọ otu. Sentence now. Nke a bụ otu ụzọ isi mee ya. Nke a bụ otu ụzọ isi mee ya. Nke a bụ otu ụzọ isi mee ya. What does this mean? This is a way, or this is one way to do it. This is a way, or this is one way to do it. There are other options of how to do it. Nke a bụ otu ụzọ isi mee ya. Right. Anyị gaa na nke asaa. Let's go to number 7, which is onweghị ụzọ, which is no way. There's no way. Ụzọ adịghị. Okay. Or onweghị ụzọ. Or onweghị ụzọ. Okay. Adịghị ụzọ. Ụzọ adịghị. Onweghị ụzọ. Okay. There's no way. Let's look at the sentence now. Onweghị ụzọ anyị ga-esi mee ya. Onweghị ụzọ anyị ga-esi mee ya. Some will say, ọ dịghị ụzọ anyị ga-esi mee ya. What does this mean? It means there is no way we can do it. There's no way we can do it. Okay? No way. Onweghị ụzọ anyị ga-esi mee ya. Ọ dịghị ụzọ anyị ga-esi mee ya. There's no way we can do it. This is where we are rounding up this series. We thank you for being with us and watching all the videos in this series. Remember, we have about 7 videos in this series, and we have already put them in a watch list. So look out for that in our homepage and make sure you go through all of them, because we are sure that if you are able to go through all the 7 videos in this series, you would have equipped yourself with a lot of vocabularies and ability to make short and simple sentences using common words that mean different things in different scenarios. We appreciate you go back and watch them over and over until you master them. In a description box of this channel, of this video, you will see other resources, ebooks that you need. Go there and check them out now. This is where we're stopping now. Email anyị ga-ahụ mgbe ọzọ. We'll see next time. Ka emesịa.